Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volkswagen Jetta bonnet. First, find the primary release lever inside the car, usually on the driver's side, near the footwell. Give this lever a firm, steady pull towards you. You should hear a click as the bonnet partially unlatches. Once you hear that, you can proceed to the front of your vehicle for the next step. Now, at the front of your Jetta, look under the bonnet's leading edge, usually above the Volkswagen emblem. You'll find a secondary safety latch there. This latch prevents the bonnet from flying open accidentally. Gently slide this latch to the side or lift it upwards. This will fully release the bonnet, allowing you to lift it completely. With the secondary latch released, carefully lift the bonnet upwards. It might be a bit heavy, so use both hands. Once it's open, locate the prop rod. This rod is typically found clipped to the underside of the bonnet itself. Remove the prop rod from its clip and insert its end into the designated slot in the engine bay. This will hold the bonnet securely open while you work. To close the bonnet, first, remove the prop rod from its slot and secure it back in its original clip. Then, gently lower the bonnet until it's about 12 inches above the closed position. Before you finish, remember to check the description below for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Finally, let the bonnet drop the remaining distance or press down firmly on it to ensure it latches securely. Always double-check that it's fully closed before driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.